just to give you an idea of what that would look like. Here's a CRIFS form for a civil action, and so you put down who you are, then you put down the redacted information identifier, and using our prior example, it would be child's name, and then you would put the redacted information, John Doe. Then the next one would be child one's date of birth, and then you'd put June 1, 2007. So that's how you'd fill that out. We've done these for both civil and criminal cases. And then the one with just the checkbox is still being developed, but it will be released before July 1, 2023. The next thing I'd like to talk about is the requirement in the rule to certify compliance. How is that done? All filers, except judges and judicial court staff, shall affirmatively certify compliance with the redaction requirements in the applicable rule when a document is filed. So the onus is on the filer to certify. Certification is accomplished by e-filers through an automated process that is part of the e-filing system for its authorized users. Essentially, it's a checkbox that basically says, I hereby certify that I've done all the required redaction to this document. If you don't check that box, you will not be permitted to file that document through the e-filing system. And that form and that checkbox will be part of the e-filing process. So if you don't, as I mentioned, if you don't check the box, you won't be permitted to file it. For folks who are not authorized users of the e-filing system, and for that it would be pro se folks that are not eligible at this point at least to use the e-filing system, they have to certify compliance using a paper form that is attached to the document or appended to the document itself. And for the clerk's benefit, this rule does not require that they monitor or provide oversight or check for compliance for pro se filers. If that form is missing or they refuse to provide it or sign it, the clerk still has to accept the document and file the document even if it's non-compliant.